Sweetie, you want treats? Oh, come on, wrap your little paws around me. I've been here 3 years this month. It's a 1971 Parkwood mobile home, and I dreaded those stairs every time going up them. And I had fallen a couple of times, and I never thought I was going to get old. Well, you know what? You do.
We were just going to repaint her house. But as I saw Kelly kind of walking in and out, I noticed that she was kind of stumbling and that she was having a hard time getting around. And so after talking to her, come to find out she has fallen over 3 times. And so we were able to install a ramp for her so that way she doesn't fall anymore coming in and out of her house.
I'm bone on my knees. So there's no cartilage in between for cushioning. And so it's just the bones rubbing together. So it sounds painful, and it is painful. But I'm going to change this around. I don't believe that I'm stuck here. You know, stuck in this state and it's only downhill from now on. No, I'm going to change it.
I think that word rebuilding is key. We're not really building, we're rebuilding. We're giving them a second chance at life. We're more than just immediate aid. We're more than just coming and saying, hey, we see that your home's kind of broken, let's repaint it, things like that. What I want people to understand is that we create a sustainable, effective, and preventive change. And really that we're all about helping people.
It's amazing. I haven't felt so happy in a long time, and today was just really special because everybody wanted to be here and do this for me, and they knew how grateful I was, and they did a fantastic job. First of all, I feel like I have a new home. Second of all, what really touches my heart is the fact there are people out there like that. And I'll probably never see these people again, but they made my life in so many ways, not just painting my place, but listening, smiling, talking to me, laughing with me. It warmed my heart. And that to me is so important.